Hi there, students. Sham. Okay, sham can be a noun, a verb, or an adjective. A sham is an imitation, a fake, something that pretends to be genuine, but it's not. So their marriage was a sham. He lived with his girlfriend and she lived with her boyfriend. Technically they were married, but it was a sham. It wasn't a real marriage. Okay, a sham. This is somebody who is pretending or claiming to be something that they're not. He said he was an expert with computers, but clearly this was a sham. You could have a street vendor selling sham Louis Vuitton bags. There you are as an adjective, false, counterfeit. To sham, to put on a false appearance. He shammed anger and outrage. He pretended he was really angry and really upset. But in reality, he didn't care. He was just doing that to manipulate her. So to sham, to pretend something is true that's not true, and try and get somebody to believe it. The wedding was a sham to stop their parents always going on about it. Yeah, they didn't want to get married, but the parents were on and on about it. Okay, sham, an adjective meaning bogus, false, a sham offer. Maybe you see an advertisement, 2-week holiday in the Caribbean, £10. This is sham advertising. Or you know when kids don't want to go to school and they pretend to be ill, but they're not. They are shamming. Yeah, they're making out that they're ill, but they're not. Okay? Let's see. You can also use the word a sham as a cover for a pillow or for a cushion. It's not one I know. I think that's an American meaning. But to me, sham is something with false pretenses, a false appearance, to falsely present something as the truth. Okay, so let's see. What about formality? I would say this word sham is neutral formality, maybe slightly on the informal side. I think I'd give it a 5 in formality. You could use sham in an informal conversation in the pub. I think you could definitely use it in a semi-formal document, and you could probably use it in something very formal as well. Notice as well, to sham is a regular verb. He shammed all the time. He has shammed all his life. And then the next question is, what about the origin of sham? Well, maybe this is a variant of the word shame, embarrassment. Maybe you could go into further depth on that. So a sham, something that pretends to be something that it's not. Sham as an adjective, falsely presenting itself as something else. To sham, to pretend something that isn't true. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Sham.